Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you one secret. You know your telegram which is plus. If you open your telegram, if anybody collected your phone and open your telegram, the person will be able to open your telegram any day and anytime, even if you sell your phone. And before you sell your phone, you do not delete your account on Telegram is automatic on that phone. Once you take the phone and enter, they're going to enter your Telegram. So this is a way for you to what? To block another person from seeing you or from using your Telegram. And this is the way. And this is it. You go to this menu button here and come here to security here, your settings here. Click on your settings and click on this privacy and security. And here, if you come down here, you see one thing here. This is delete my account. Now this delete my account. If I am inactive for is it 1 month, and exactly 1 month, Telegram is going to automatically delete your account after the 1 month that you are not active on this phone. Now, if it is 3 months you want to choose, you can choose 3 months. If you want to choose 6 months, you can choose 6 months. And if you want to choose 1 year, you can choose 1 year. And that is if you are not active on this phone. So me, I prefer putting it on a month because I know okay, let's say 3 months. For me using my phone, I'll be able to have access to my Telegram. So if I put it on 3 months, that means after 3 months, in 3 months times around that 3 months, I am not active on this phone using my Telegram. The Telegram should automatically deleted my account, and that's how it's going to be. So please guys, you're going to use this very well. It is very helpful so that you'll be able to secure it and to save your information on your Telegram. So if you found this video helpful, click the like button, share and comment.